Hi friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to map your own domain to your e-commerce website that you've created on Biz365. So let's first understand what is mapping your domain. Basically, let's say you've got a website called as greenberry.com and you have created a store out here on Biz365 which is running on a subdomain of Biz365 on your account. You'd want ideally that the greenberry.com should start pointing directly to your e-commerce website and Biz365 should not show up in the URL. So before going to production, that's what you'd want to do. In order to do that, let's jump into the screen. So basically, you'd go to map your own domain. And in map your own domain, what you'll do is put in your company's domain name. And after putting in your company's domain name, you'll press continue. After that, it's going to show you a set of instructions which is very necessary to understand. You need to go to your domain hosting provider, log into the control panel, and after logging into the control panel, you need to actually create an A record. This is the A record that you create on the control panel of the hosting provider. So let's say you've actually bought this domain from GoDaddy, then it will have its own cPanel. If you have it from 1&1, it will have its own cPanel. So basically, we go into the cPanel, go into change DNS settings, create a record, A record. After creating an A record, you'll copy the IP address from here, which is given here as well, and basically going to put in this IP address into your domain name, into your A record, by the way, and then press continue. Once you press continue, obviously this is for demo sake only, so it's not pointed to this, but otherwise it's going to actually give you a success note out here, and after giving a success note, you can actually continue further, and then in the third step, you can just activate. And the moment you activate, it will actually start pointing directly to your website that you've created on Biz365. As a side note, make sure that if you're stuck anywhere out here, because this can be a little complicated for the first time users, please contact us. All you need to do is click here and contact our team, and somebody will get in touch with you and assist you on coming directly on your screen, assist you in how to do the steps. That's about it in mapping your domain name. Thank you.